Take command of the road in the 2006 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. It features a standard transmission, four-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Chevrolet infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, fully automatic headlights, and more. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 4 well-positioned speakers. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, ignition disabling, and ABS brakes. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. We are here to help you.